Ron back here with a new product from StartRC. This is the Nano Vertical Horizontal Mount. And I just got in, to do an unboxing and kind of first look at the product here. Now, I was sent this by StartRC, to do what I just talked about, unboxing first look. But, they're not paying me to make this video. They don't get pre-approval. They don't see this video before I put it out. But I do get to keep the product. So full disclosure right up at the beginning here. So now that's out of the way, let's get right into the unboxing. Typical StartRC packaging here. The white and red box. The product kind of drawing on the side there. Logo on the side of the box there. Website on this side, and just kind of a barcode thing on the back there. This is available on Amazon.com, and I will put a link in later. But okay, get pre-cut open here. Let's open this up here. And pull it out here. There's a little QC card here. Nothing else in the box here, so we'll put all that to the side here. Okay, now it comes in this little protective baggie here. Get the product out here. Okay, that's all it's in there. Now we have the the case here, housing, and we have like a little strap here, like a lanyard, maybe for lack of a better word. Okay, so that is the product. It's kind of a little bit different than the one that comes with the camera. You see how it has this bottom piece here with the 1/4-inch screw at the bottom. So you can mount on like a tripod or something. So, but let's see how this works out here. Now, I just happen to have a DJI Osmo Nano right over here, just luckily here. And, of course, this is on the vision dock here, is on here. So let me, it's magnetic there. You pull the vision dock off. We won't be needing the vision dock here. So this came with like a little case with it here. I'm going to pull it off. You can see the case before I pull it off. It kind of, goes all the way around. Has a top portion with a, holes cut for, I guess, little mics up there, and then a solid bottom, and it has a place where you can press the button to start recording on the side here, and then, of course, it leaves the magnetic things and the connectors open there. So let's take this off here. Now, I've never taken this off since I put it on. All right, I got it off. That wasn't too bad. Just to, put a little elbow grease on it, comes off. Okay, so let's install the new one here. Well, let's show the differences here, side by side. So this is the difference here. Now, this is taller than the new one because it has this mount here for the vertical. But, this is entirely cut off, where this has not cut off here. And then, this has a hole for the button rather than the capacitive touch thing there. So, and they both have a hole up top for the mics and so on. Okay, we're going to put the one that came with the camera over here, and we're going to see if we can install this new one here. So, let's see. This is pretty, self-explanatory here. So went in there. I didn't hear like a snap or anything, but it's in there good. I can't pull it out now. So it went in, fit pretty good there. So like I said, you still have the openings up there for the microphone. You have the complete side up here if you want to attach the vision dock, and then you have the buttons completely exposed here. But you do have the 1/4-inch screw down here, so you can mount it vertically on like a tripod. I don't happen to have one handy, but you've all seen tripods before, I'm sure. You don't need to see me pull it out. But so, before, when you had this case here, you could of course shoot vertical, but you had to hold it like this. And if you had a stick, you'd have to, kind of hold it like that too, So, this of course, you'd use the DJI magnetic mount system down there. Again, to mount this, but again, you'd have to hold that kind of stick sideways to get the vertical. Where here, you hold the stick like you would normally, like a real person, rather than I don't know, a different person holding it sideways like this to film. So yeah, pretty nice mount. I'm going to see where you put the lanyard in here. Okay, there's a little hole over here and the same hole on the other side. So I guess that's where they're putting the little lanyard thingy, little hook. So I guess that goes, either side there. I guess depending on what you do. I don't see any other place where you could attach it. I don't know what this little lip is up here is for, but It's not to put a lanyard in. After much finagling here, I did get this, this little hook installed here. Don't know exactly what you do with it, but it is on there. I guess just a way to grab it and hold it, so yeah. So, you just got to, put it through the hole and pray you can get it out the other side or whatever. If you have like maybe a little like needle or something, you can help pull through and grab it like almost like a little knitting needle. So, okay, a simple device, not a whole lot to show you here, but if you are a vertical shooter, you shoot for the Instagram, the TikTok and so on, anybody, the reels and things like that, YouTube shorts or whatever, you want to get that vertical aspect going here so you can increase your views and stuff like that, feed the algorithm there. So this is a handy little device here. And I will be back with pricing and availability for this in the next segment of the video. Okay, the StartRC Photo Osmo Nano Protective Cage for the Osmo Nano accessories. It's a long title there. Amazon.com is selling for $15.99 and has fast shipping. If I would order it, and I live in New Jersey, it would come in one day. Ships one day. If I order Monday afternoon, it would be here Tuesday. That could vary depending on what part of the country or world you live in here. But yeah, and it ships from the Amazon warehouse, sold by StartRC Photo. See if I can get you any other details here. It's not water resistant. Got the cold shoe mount we showed you, tripod mount, color they call it gray. It's polycarbonate is the material here, and that kind of covers it here. So again, if you are an Amazon Prime member, you will get the 2-day free shipping on it here. And I'll just show you the picture here. I don't know if I get in trouble just showing the picture on Amazon. They see where they have the lanyard, just where I showed you it would go there. And I'm sorry I didn't get to put that in, but maybe we'll fill that at the end here. Okay, so that's it. This product, who's this product for? Anybody that's shooting a lot of vertical. If you don't shoot any vertical, you probably don't need this thing here. So yeah, I'm Ron at Ron Brown's YouTube channel. And I will put an Amazon affiliate link in down below here. I am an Amazon affiliate seller. I do get a small commission for everything you buy through that link. So if you buy this case, I get credit for that. If you buy a whole Nano along with that, I get credit for that too. Whatever you buy after you use my link to get in there, I get credit for it. So it's a nice way for you to help the channel out. I don't ask for any money any other way. I don't have paid memberships or paid anything on this YouTube channel. So this is one of the few ways of making any money using my affiliate links here. So and also, please give me the thumbs up, leave a comment down below. All those things help the algorithm to get the video out to more people than just my subscribers. And speaking of subscribers, if you're not already a member, please subscribe today. I do a lot of video about cameras, camera accessories, drone accessories, tech gear in general, photography, so on. And you got to ring that bell, so you'll know when I get you'll get notifications as soon as I set them out for a new video that you may want to see. So okay, I do want to thank you for stopping by the video, but I'm not going to say goodbye here. I'm going to link another video up here related to this video in some way or another that I think you may enjoy. So I will see you at that next video.